Join me on a fascinating journey where I show you some of the techniques used in scale aeromodelling. Hello modelers, just a quick update. We're at Wolverhampton University Walsall campus at the sports complex, and it's day one of the indoor scale nationals, BMFA scale indoor nationals, and I just thought I'd give you a quick shot of what's going on. Let's change the camera around and see what we can see. I'm overhead at the hall, and I'll just give you a quick pan of the hall. 60 meters by 30 meters with, I think it's about a 14 meter ceiling. The competitors are all on tables down here. Peter Evers, Mats, Tonda Alferey, a few other excellent modellers. That's the team Stratford, Liam, Nathan and Eric Stratford, and their assortment of models. So the tables at the end are the two judges, the two sets of judges. The closest one is kit scale, and the one furthest away is for the open class. The models are queued up on the side there, so you can see who's next, and the models are just picked up with their documentation and then they're judged. So there we go. That's all I wanted to say really, just to let you know. Let's have a look down this end and look down on the tables from this end. You can see it's a lovely hall. Some of the models. That glorious pair there, including that boat, is from George Kandylakis, who's come over from Greece. That's Harry Simon, who's come over from Germany with his Antoinette and a Dornier type thing. There's lots of great modellers here today for the RC event. There's some trade down the end there as well. Hattie's come from VMC, has brought some bits along. There's all sorts of bits and pieces, so it's really good.
Yeah, exactly. But in the critic was planned for.
I just never wondered why they see if there's Have you flown it much? Or have you just flown it the first time? Oh really? So you get to know how to fly it? And then on the third one, well, next year you do it. Well, you've got to fantastic change and something frustrating when you come and get it to slow. Yeah, it was one stressful thing. It's very difficult to judge distance. Yeah, it's really very small movements. Can't overcorrect. Yeah, yeah.